Okay guys, here's how to install the phone holder. This is the stock plastic trim you have. Mine is a little bit out because I just put it back in, but here's what you gotta do. There is one pin here that holds the upper part, and there is like two pieces here. So what you'll do is take your screwdriver and put a piece of cloth on it, or if you have some kind of plastic trim removal, that would be better. And what you do is you pry it here. Okay, you put your screwdriver in and you pry it here, and it will pop. It's not gonna be this easy, but that's what you'll do. And then you'll be able to open it up and see that there is a connector inside, okay, for the light, for the airbag light, and those two little pieces here and here, and you'll just pop it out of there slowly. Okay, now it's out. This connector you can remove by clicking on this little thing. You just press it down and pull it out like this. Okay, now that you have this piece, you have to take the light out. You do this by pressing on the sides. There are the like little clips you have to press. After you press them down, you'll be able to push the light forward like that. And now it's out. What you do is you just plug it back in like that and put it behind somewhere. Next is putting your new holder in. What you do is you rest it on these lower little pieces like that. You rest it on the lower plastic and you just push it in. Okay, just push it in where those upper clips are until you hear click, and that's it. It's installed. It's inside. It follows the original trim. You can paint it, you can sticker bomb it, you can do whatever you want. And there's this other piece that just slides in inside of here like that, and that's where you put your phone in like that, and that's your phone holder.